We're going to look at the fourth state of matter by using a grape and a knife. Get your grown-up assistant to help you with this. What you need to do is take a grape and you want to slice it almost all the way through from pole to pole. You want to open it like a book. Okay, and we are going to take our grape and insert it into the microwave. Make sure that these two halves are still together just by a small little piece of skin right there. Insert the grape into your microwave and put it on for 12 seconds. There you have your plasma grape. Feel free to do another. And another.